Welcome back. The Selangor Agriculture Development Corporation will set up a large-scale dairy complex, Ehsan Dairy Farm, which is expected to begin operations early next year. Its Group Chief Executive Officer, Dato Dr. Muhammad Khairul Muhammad Razi, said the farm aims to produce up to 1.8 million litres of fresh milk annually, contributing to an increase in the nation's dairy self-sufficiency rate.
Muhammad Khairul said the Ehsan Dairy Farm project is expected to generate significant economic and social impact, including annual revenue exceeding 7.5 million ringgit. It will also integrate smart farm management technology, automation and digital animal health systems while supporting the development of the downstream agro-industrial ecosystem.
Selain menyumbang kepada pengeluaran domestik, Ehsan Dairy Farm dijangka menjana lebih 100 peluang pekerjaan secara langsung dan tidak langsung, merangkumi penternak muda, juruteknik ladang, pakar nutrisi haiwan dan tenaga kerja berkemahiran tinggi.
He said this in his speech at the groundbreaking ceremony for the SADC Ehsan Dairy Farm complex in Sungai Tengki, Kuala Kubu Baru, Selangor on Sunday. The ceremony was officiated by Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi and was also attended by Selangor Menteri Besar Datuk Amiruddin Shari. The farm will house over 1,200 high-quality Jersey Holstein Friesian F2 dairy cattle imported from Australia, a country renowned for its expertise in industrial-scale dairy livestock breeding. With close cooperation between the state and federal government and implementing agencies such as SADC, Ehsan Dairy Farm is expected to be a model for the country's main modern dairy farms.
Walaupun kita target projek lembu tenusuk ini adalah perlu disiapkan dalam masa 3 tahun, tapi saya yakin dan saya bagi jaminan kepada Yang Amat Datuk Seri MB, Datuk Seri TPM, kita akan siapkan projek lembu tenusuk pada tahun ini juga. Walaupun dia beri 3 tahun, kita siapkan dalam masa tahun ini. Dengan kerjasama strategik yang berterusan, saya amat yakin bahawa Selangor berpotensi muncul sebagai hub utama pengeluaran susu segar negara, sekaligus memperkukuh kedaulatan makanan dan menjamin kesejahteraan rakyat secara menyeluruh.
Ehsan Dairy Farm will be equipped with modern facilities that support large-scale systematic breeding operations. This includes the swing-over rapid exit system, capable of milking 60 cows simultaneously, and dairy master technology, such as the neck collar moo monitor that identifies cows in heat when their movement exceeds an activity threshold. In its initial phase of operations, the project is expected to yield an average of 18 to 20 litres of milk per cow per day.